What's going on, Hick Squad? Here with another video. And in today's video, it's not type of a video that I want to put out or have on my channel at all. But today, Clifford got sabotaged. Before I show you guys the truck, I want to talk about what kind of happened. Well, I woke up this morning starting up the truck. I posted a video on Instagram. If you guys ain't following me on Instagram, it's down in the description. But of the truck running, and I didn't show what all happened, but woke up this morning. I have a truck cover that covers the whole truck from the front to the back, and the tarps were all ripped off, and I have bungee cords and all that stuff, so the truck was covered up really tight. I mean, it's been covered for 4 days because I'm in the process of selling my black truck to stick money into the red truck, and I just left the red truck covered because we had rain in a couple of days and everything, and I don't have a shop. And we are in the process of selling this house to possibly move to North Carolina so I can find a house with a big shop and bring up some amazing content for you guys. And yeah, I woke up this morning and the tarp was all ripped off the truck. The tarp was down the driveway and everything. We didn't have rain. We didn't have storms, which you guys can see. It's super dry. So I might call the cops on it and may have them make a report on it just in case if something really does happen, if they come back or whatever. But yeah, Clifford got sabotaged, I guess. There's no scratches in the paint, there's no nothing like that, but that's it. This is a tarp. That's the truck cover. So yeah, the truck got sabotaged, but thank God they didn't do anything. I ain't checked wires or anything, or lines or brake lines or anything on the truck yet, but I'm gonna do that and make sure they didn't cut any brake lines or clip any wires on the truck. If they did that, that'd be terrible. But yeah, so that happened today, and I thought I'll make a quick little YouTube video on it, just in case if something does happen, I can relate back to it. Hey guys, just before this video ends, I wanted to show you guys something that actually happened to the truck. And I searched the truck inside and out. No wires were cut, no brake lines or nothing like that. Truck starts up. I took it for a little drive. Drives perfect. Nothing's wrong. But I did find one thing, and it was this lug nut right here. This one right here. It was fully loose. I can go like with my finger and like twist it, and it can't come loose and everything. So I tightened it all up with my impact and everything. So if they try again tonight, well, guess what? They'll have something waiting for them. I got cameras set up and everything all set up, and so whoever you are, don't mess with my truck because you're gonna be on camera now. I just bought new cameras and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All Hicks Boys Media. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.